purpose. Now you're talking down on my name on purpose. So you don't feel no way. You think I deserve. What's up, y'all? I'm J.Max. Welcome back to my channel. This is J.Max Reax, and today I'm watching a Paradise video that says VMA's 2014 Best Ratchet Fight Award is unaired. Let's see what happens.
Please welcome Taylor Swift.
Why is she walking like that?
I really don't know why MTV wanted me to present this award. I mean, I really don't know what ratchet means. Is it like ghetto? Is it like hood? Either fucking way, I'm just glad I'm not black. Here are the nominees for the 2014 Best Ratchet Fight. And
Oh, God.
Y'all know what it is. I try to tell you motherfuckers, don't fuck with me. I don't give a fuck if you man, woman, family. What up, y'all? It's your girl, Donna Sharp. It's me live. I'm this fucking award, bitch. Yes. That's right, bitch. Call my name. Come on. What up? This your girl, Jocelyn Hernandez.
The whole cast is the victim.
I'm gonna tell you right now, I better win this motherfucking award. It's me, bitches. Thank you. I don't give a fuck if y'all mad because I deserve this award just like anybody else. And the award for Best Ratchet Fight goes to...
Wow.
Solange.
Of course.
Eat it, bitch. Boy, stop. You ain't win that award now. Come on now. That ain't right now.
Oh.
Beyonce, now you still a chick for me now, okay? Wasn't no cameras around to see me whip Bobby ass, but that bitch will tell you. Let her tell you. I can fight, bitch. You tell her, Fantasia, but I pulled a bitch track out. I went to jail.
Fantasia.
And I did this all for you, America. What the fuck? Bitch, don't ever interrupt me again, okay? This is about a real bitch. You got that? I have a single out, too. You ain't gonna talk to me like that. I don't even want the fucking award. Jay-Z still mad at me, girl. All I did was tell Boo Ivy to stay the fuck out my purse and she wanna get smart. I had to whoop her ass. I had to whoop her daddy ass. And that's just what the fuck it's gonna be. Hold on. Let me say something.
Oh,
fuck
shit.
you, MTV. I'm coming for the motherfucking producers, the writers, the managers, the cast of Real World. I'm coming for everybody that worked for motherfucking MTV, bitch. Oh my god. I didn't know animals could be nominated too. This is so unfair. And then I'm coming back to Real Housewives. And bitches mad at me. I mean, I got hate on the left, the right, everywhere. Look, bitch, I'll mail you the fucking award, okay? What's your mama address? I'm gonna tell you right now,
Oh,
I
shit.
ain't even till you give me something, bitch. I don't give a fuck what it is, but y'all better come up with an Independent Achievement Award or a Best Dress, something, bitch. How about the award for least amount of hits? That's my time, guys.
I don't even believe this shit. What was the award for? Best fight? For real? Oh, okay. So y'all just gonna ignore the shit me and Rihanna had going on, okay? So I beat a bitch up in a two-seater in neutral and throw a bottle of that Drake in the club and I can't get no award?
Oh my God.
Fuck y'all convenience store weed wearing fucking vocalist, no hit wonder having bitches, cuz.
What? Is there anything in this? Okay, no. Oh my gosh, that was a good one too. Definitely one that I have not seen before. Probably just hidden in the channels, archives, and just didn't get hit. Shout out to Matt for these. What? You know, yikes. 2014 was a year where bitches was knocking bitches out. Like, you not gonna talk reckless and not get hit. Kicked in the elevator, popped upside the back of your head. I'm just gonna be an animal and fight everybody in the cast. Shout out to Jocelyn. And don't put no megaphone in my head, in my face, because I might just slap your ass. Shout out to Portia. That was a good year. That was a good year. I don't even watch Real Housewives, but I've seen that clip so many times. And y'all have seen me watch parodies of Solange and Jesse in the elevator. I still wish I knew more about what happened with Dawn and Aubrey, but not my business. It's a little bit messy. Let me know what you thought about this one below. Comment, like, subscribe. Until next time. Peace.